Good day and hello everyone. I am Janina Zalia of 7 Anthurium, and today I will be demonstrating a traffic light system simulation that I have created using Tinkercad. This video would serve as my practical exam in ICT. This project shows a red, yellow, and green traffic light sequence along with a countdown timer on a 7-segment display. So, let us get started. First, let's take a look at the circuit. Here's the setup in Tinkercad. As we can see, we have the Arduino Uno, which is the brain of our operation, a breadboard, 3 LEDs which are red, yellow, and green, a 7-segment display, resistors, and jumper wires. Now let us see how everything is connected. Each LED is connected to the Arduino through a 220 ohm resistor to limit the current and prevent the LED from burning out. The red LED is connected to the digital pin number 9, the yellow LED to the pin number 10, and lastly, the green LED to pin 11. Now, let us move to the 7-segment display. The 7-segment display is a common cathode type. Segment A is connected to digital pin 2, segment B to pin 3, segment C to pin 4, segment D to pin 5, segment E to pin 6, segment F to pin 7, and lastly, segment G to pin 8. The common cathode is connected to the ground. It is important to ensure that the ground connections are properly connected to the Arduino's ground pin. In the circuit, the ground from the LEDs and the common cathode of the 7-segment display are connected to the Arduino's GND pin. This completes the circuit and allows the components to function correctly. Now, let us move to the code that has done all the work. As we can see at the beginning of the code, we defined which pins are connected to each LED and each segment of the 7-segment display. Now, let's move on to the void setup. In the setup function, we set each of these pins as outputs, so the Arduino can send signals to them. And then we move to the void loop. The loop function is where the magic happens. First, the red LED turns on and the 7-segment display counts down from 5 to 0. After that, the yellow LED turns on and the display counts down again. Lastly, the green LED turns on with its own countdown. This sequence repeats continuously, creating the traffic light effect. Here in the void loop function, we can see that there are codes with delay. The delay function is used to control how long each LED stays on and how long each number is displayed on the 7-segment display. This ensures that the timing is accurate and that the sequence flows smoothly. Now, let us turn on the simulation and see it in action. As you can see, the red light is on and the countdown is running. Once it reaches 0, the yellow light comes on with its countdown, followed by the green light. This sequence repeats seamlessly. During the development of this project, I encountered a few challenges. Initially, the 7-segment display wasn't showing the numbers correctly. I realized that I had connected some of the pins to the wrong segments. After correcting the wiring, it worked perfectly. In conclusion, this traffic light simulation effectively demonstrates how to control LEDs and a 7-segment display using an Arduino. It was fun and educational project that helped me better understand basic electronics and programming concepts. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Feel free to ask any questions.